So this is the look that I'm going to be doing today, and it's just kind of a mixture of everything. I don't really know. Yeah. So we're gonna start off by putting our hair up like this. And then we are gonna do our brows. I enjoy using this kit. Concealer for our eyes. One thing I am doing for this look is adding tape so I can get that sharp line between my regular foundation and my eye products. I'm going to first dip in with a very light shade to just kind of put a base on my eyelids. Not too dark, but also not too light. And then I'm going to go in with a somewhat darker shade to really just build up that, you know, color. I just realized that this piece of tape is dragging my under eyelid down. Anyway. And then using concealer to kind of just hide my under eye bags, because you know, they're just fantastic. Thank you for watching. This is the final look. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and alright.